Water is fun, but do you know how to stay safe? You need to know the water safety code. Stop and think. Look around. There can be lots of dangers near the water. Wear things that can keep you safe. There are things near the water to help you stay safe too. Always swim where there is a lifeguard. Read any signs and learn what the beach flags mean. Check. Is the ground safe? Is the water too deep or not deep enough? Is there anything hiding underneath? You should never swim alone. Always go with friends or family. It's more fun. And if you get into trouble, they can help. In an emergency, shout as loud as you can and tell a lifeguard or an adult if there is one. Never go into the water to rescue anyone or anything. It could be dangerous for you. Instead, find a phone and call 999. If you do fall into the water, lie on your back, spread your arms and legs like a star and float. Once you're floating, shout for help and wait for help to arrive. If you see someone else in the water, throw them something that floats. Ask them to float and call 999. So remember, to stay safe near water, you need to know the water safety code. Stop and think. Stay together. In an emergency, call 999. If you fall in, float.